In the heart of our tradition lies the passion that drives us.
Jones College are crowned.
Even during our humble beginning as a high school, we built the foundation for a school focused on hard work, determination, forward progress, and a legacy of excellence. But today, we stand at the threshold of greatness. Today, we declare a bold new era, an era that honors our past while propelling us into the future. It's time for a change that sets a new standard for success. We don't just win games, we win them consistently. Introducing Vegas Gold. Cardinal. It took a lot of hard work and perseverance to get where we are, but we're not done yet. This is not merely a rebrand. This is a declaration that Jones College athletics will always rise above.
Viva!